Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some truly fascinating psychological facts about the female body, human behavior, love, and women. Whether you're curious about what makes us tick or just love learning new things, this video is packed with interesting insights that might just surprise you. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of your favorite drink, and let's explore the wonderful world of psychology together. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's get started. The science of attraction, what draws us to each other. Attraction is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that involves a blend of psychological, biological, and social factors. At its core, attraction is the process that draws individuals towards one another, often leading to relationships and emotional bonds. Understanding the science behind attraction can offer insights into human behavior and the subtle forces that influence our connections. From a biological perspective, attraction is heavily influenced by our senses, particularly sight and smell. Visual cues such as facial symmetry, body shape, and overall appearance play a significant role in initial attraction. Studies have shown that people are generally drawn to those with symmetrical faces, which are often perceived as more attractive because they are subconsciously associated with good health and genetic fitness. Smell also plays a crucial role in attraction thanks to pheromones, chemical signals that our bodies release. These pheromones can influence our perception of others on a subconscious level, contributing to that inexplicable feeling of being drawn to someone. The major histocompatibility complex, MHC, a group of genes involved in immune system function, also affects attraction. Individuals are often attracted to those with different MHC genes, which can lead to healthier offspring with a more robust immune system. Psychologically, attraction is influenced by personality traits, behaviors, and shared interests. We tend to be attracted to individuals who exhibit confidence, kindness, and a good sense of humor. These traits are often associated with positive social interactions and emotional stability. Additionally, the principle of reciprocity, where we are attracted to people who show interest in us, plays a significant role. When someone shows that they like us, it boosts our self-esteem and makes us more likely to reciprocate those feelings. Social and cultural factors also shape our perceptions of attractiveness. Societal norms and media representations influence what we consider attractive, often dictating trends in beauty and fashion. Cultural background and upbringing can affect our preferences and the traits we find appealing in potential partners. For example, certain cultures may value specific physical attributes or personality traits more than others. Moreover, the concept of similarity is a powerful factor in attraction. We are often drawn to people who share our values, beliefs, and interests. This similarity provides a sense of comfort and predictability in relationships, making it easier to form deep connections. Shared experiences and common goals also strengthen the bond between individuals, enhancing mutual attraction. Interestingly, the context and environment in which we meet someone can influence our level of attraction. Situational factors, such as being in a positive mood, experiencing excitement, or even facing a challenging situation together, can heighten feelings of attraction. This phenomenon is known as the misattribution of arousal, where the physiological arousal from one source is mistakenly attributed to another person, intensifying feelings of attraction. In conclusion, the science of attraction is a rich and intricate field that encompasses a range of biological, psychological, and social elements. By understanding these underlying factors, we gain a deeper appreciation of the subtle dynamics that draw us to one another, highlighting the intricate tapestry of human relationships and the powerful forces that bind us. The power of touch, how physical contact affects emotions. Touch is a fundamental form of human interaction that plays a crucial role in communication and emotional bonding. From the moment we are born, physical contact is essential for our development and well-being. The power of touch extends beyond mere physical sensation, deeply influencing our emotions and psychological state. At a basic level, touch is a sensory experience processed by the skin, the body's largest organ. The skin contains millions of nerve endings that transmit signals to the brain, interpreting various types of touch, such as pressure, temperature, and texture. This sensory input is vital for our survival, helping us navigate the environment and avoid harm. However, the impact of touch goes far beyond these basic functions. Touch is a powerful tool for communication. It conveys a range of emotions and intentions, often more effectively than words. A gentle touch can express affection, comfort, and reassurance, while a firm handshake can communicate confidence and respect. In social interactions, touch helps establish and maintain connections, reinforcing social bonds and fostering a sense of belonging. One of the most profound effects of touch is its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. When we experience comforting touch, such as a hug or a gentle caress, our bodies release oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone. Oxytocin plays a key role in social bonding and can enhance feelings of trust, empathy, and connection. It also counteracts the effects of cortisol, the stress hormone, thereby reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Physical contact can also have significant physiological benefits. Research has shown that touch can lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and strengthen the immune system. For example, studies on premature infants have demonstrated that those who receive regular skin-to-skin contact, also known as kangaroo care, gain weight faster, have more stable heart rates, and experience fewer health complications compared to those who do not. In romantic relationships, touch is a crucial component of intimacy and affection. Physical contact, such as holding hands, hugging, and kissing, strengthens emotional bonds and enhances relationship satisfaction. These actions trigger the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are associated with feelings of pleasure and happiness. Regular physical affection can also improve communication and conflict resolution, fostering a deeper sense of connection and mutual understanding. Touch is equally important in non-romantic relationships, such as friendships and familial bonds. Platonic touch, like a pat on the back or a friendly hug, can convey support, solidarity, and affection. These gestures are especially valuable during times of stress or grief, providing comfort and reassurance when words may fall short. The absence of touch can have detrimental effects on our emotional and physical health. Loneliness and social isolation, often marked by a lack of physical contact, are linked to increased risks of depression, anxiety, and even chronic illnesses. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the importance of touch, as many people experienced prolonged periods without physical interaction, leading to heightened feelings of loneliness and emotional distress. Cultural differences play a significant role in how touch is perceived and used in social interactions. In some cultures, touch is an integral part of communication and social rituals, while in others, it may be less common or even discouraged. Understanding these cultural norms is essential for navigating social interactions and fostering positive relationships. In professional settings, appropriate touch can enhance teamwork and collaboration. Simple gestures like a handshake, a pat on the back, or a congratulatory high five can boost morale and create a positive work environment. However, it's important to be mindful of boundaries and individual comfort levels to ensure that touch is perceived as supportive and respectful. In conclusion, touch is a powerful and multifaceted aspect of human interaction that significantly affects our emotions, health, and social bonds. By recognizing the importance of physical contact and incorporating it into our daily lives, we can enhance our well-being, strengthen our relationships, and foster a more connected and compassionate society. Body language secrets. Understanding non-verbal cues. Body language is a form of non-verbal communication that conveys information through physical behaviors, such as facial expressions, gestures, posture, and eye movements. While words are crucial for communication, body language often reveals more about our true feelings and intentions. Understanding these non-verbal cues can enhance our ability to interpret others' emotions, build stronger relationships, and navigate social interactions more effectively. Facial expressions are one of the most significant aspects of body language. They are universal indicators of emotions, with certain expressions being recognized worldwide. For instance, a smile typically signifies happiness or friendliness, while a frown often indicates displeasure or concern. The eyes, often referred to as the windows to the soul, play a crucial role in expressing emotions. Eye contact can convey interest, attentiveness, and sincerity, while avoiding eye contact may suggest discomfort, distraction, or deceit. Gestures, including hand movements and head nods, also play a vital role in communication. They can emphasize spoken words, convey agreement or disagreement, and indicate a person's level of engagement. For example, nodding while someone is speaking usually signals agreement or understanding, whereas crossing arms can suggest defensiveness or resistance. Open hand gestures generally indicate openness and honesty, while clenched fists might signify anger or frustration. Posture is another key element of body language. The way we sit or stand can communicate a wealth of information about our attitudes and emotions. An upright posture often indicates confidence and attentiveness, while slouching can suggest disinterest or lack of energy. Leaning towards someone typically shows interest and engagement, whereas leaning away might indicate discomfort or a desire to distance oneself from the interaction. Proxemics, the study of personal space, examines how physical distance affects communication. Different cultures have varying norms regarding personal space, but generally, standing too close to someone can make them feel uncomfortable or threatened, while maintaining an appropriate distance can foster a sense of respect and comfort. In social interactions, being aware of and respecting personal space is crucial for positive communication. Touch, as a form of body language, can convey a wide range of emotions and intentions. A firm handshake can demonstrate confidence and professionalism, while a light touch on the arm during conversation can express empathy or solidarity. However, the appropriateness of touch depends on the context and the individuals involved, making it important to be sensitive to social and cultural norms. Micro-expressions, brief and involuntary facial expressions can reveal true emotions that a person might be trying to conceal. These fleeting expressions are often subconscious and can be challenging to detect, but they provide valuable insights into someone's genuine feelings. For example, a quick flash of anger or sadness, even if quickly masked, can indicate underlying emotions that contradict the person's verbal statements. Mirroring the subconscious imitation of another person's body language can build rapport and foster a sense of connection. When people are in sync, they tend to mirror each other's gestures, posture, and facial expressions. This phenomenon creates a sense of mutual understanding and empathy, enhancing the overall quality of the interaction. Being aware of mirroring can help in establishing better communication and building trust. Understanding body language also involves recognizing clusters of behaviors rather than focusing on a single gesture or expression. Context is crucial. A gesture that indicates one thing in a particular situation might mean something entirely different in another. For example, crossed arms might suggest defensiveness in one context, but simply indicate that the person is cold in another. Being aware of our own body language can improve how we are perceived by others. Displaying open and positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact, using appropriate gestures, and adopting a relaxed posture, can make us appear more approachable and trustworthy. Conversely, negative body language, such as avoiding eye contact or displaying closed-off postures, can create barriers in communication and hinder relationship building. The emotional brain, how women process feelings differently. The way men and women process emotions can vary significantly, influenced by both biological and social factors. Understanding these differences can provide valuable insights into emotional intelligence, communication, and relationship dynamics. The brain plays a crucial role in how emotions are experienced and expressed, with certain areas being more active or structured differently in women compared to men. One of the key areas of the brain involved in emotion processing is the amygdala. The amygdala is responsible for detecting and responding to emotional stimuli, particularly those related to fear and pleasure. Research has shown that the amygdala tends to be more reactive in women, which can lead to heightened emotional responses. This heightened sensitivity allows women to be more attuned to emotional nuances and social cues, facilitating better empathy and interpersonal communication. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is involved in regulating emotions and decision-making. In women, the prefrontal cortex tends to mature earlier and be more active, contributing to greater emotional regulation and impulse control. This enhanced regulation helps women navigate complex emotional landscapes and maintain social harmony. The earlier maturation of this brain region may also explain why girls often develop emotional intelligence skills earlier than boys. Hormonal influences also play a significant role in how emotions are processed. Estrogen, a hormone predominant in women, has been shown to affect the brain's serotonin levels. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Fluctuations in estrogen levels, such as those experienced during the menstrual cycle, can impact mood and emotional states. This hormonal variability can make women more sensitive to emotional changes and stresses. Oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, is another hormone that significantly impacts emotional processing. It is involved in social bonding, trust, and empathy. Women generally produce higher levels of oxytocin, especially during childbirth and breastfeeding, which strengthens the mother-child bond. Elevated oxytocin levels enhance women's ability to form strong emotional connections and be more empathetic, fostering nurturing behaviors and supportive relationships. The hippocampus, a brain region associated with memory and emotional responses, is typically larger in women. This difference may contribute to women's superior ability to recall emotional experiences and details, enhancing their emotional memory. This heightened recall can influence how women perceive and react to current emotional situations, drawing on past experiences to inform their responses. Socialization and cultural factors also shape how emotions are processed and expressed. From a young age, girls are often encouraged to be more expressive and communicative about their feelings, while boys may be discouraged from showing vulnerability. These social norms influence how emotions are internalized and managed. As a result, women may develop stronger verbal communication skills and a greater ability to articulate their emotions, leading to better emotional awareness and expression. In relationships, these differences in emotional processing can manifest in various ways. Women may be more adept at reading non-verbal cues and understanding their partner's emotions, which can enhance relationship satisfaction and conflict resolution. Their heightened empathy, allows them to provide emotional support and foster deeper connections. However, these differences can also lead to misunderstandings if partners are not aware of or sensitive to each other's emotional needs and processing styles. Stress responses can also differ between men and women due to variations in brain structure and hormone levels. Women are more likely to engage in a tend and befriend response, seeking social support and nurturing relationships during stressful times. This behavior is influenced by higher oxytocin levels, promoting social bonding as a coping mechanism. In contrast, men may exhibit a fight-or-flight response, focusing on problem-solving or withdrawing to manage stress. Despite these general trends, it is essential to recognize that individual differences exist, and not all women or men will fit neatly into these patterns. Personality, life experiences, and cultural background all play a role in shaping how emotions are processed and expressed. Appreciating these individual variations can lead to more nuanced and empathetic interactions. In conclusion, the emotional brain in women is shaped by a complex interplay of biological, hormonal, and social factors that influence how feelings are processed and expressed. Love and hormones, the chemistry behind romance. Romance and love are often depicted as profound emotional experiences, but they are also deeply rooted in the intricate chemistry of the brain and body. Hormones play a crucial role in how we experience love, influencing attraction, attachment, and long-term bonding. Understanding the hormonal underpinnings of love can provide valuable insights into the dynamics of romantic relationships and the biological factors that drive our emotional connections. The initial stages of romantic attraction are heavily influenced by a cocktail of hormones and neurotransmitters. Dopamine, often referred to as the pleasure hormone, is central to the feeling of euphoria and excitement that accompanies new love. When we fall in love, dopamine levels surge, creating feelings of intense pleasure and reward. This dopamine rush is akin to the effects of certain addictive substances, explaining why early-stage love can feel all-consuming and exhilarating. Norepinephrine, a hormone related to adrenaline, also plays a significant role during the initial phases of attraction. It heightens alertness and arousal, leading to physical symptoms such as increased heart rate, sweaty palms, and butterflies in the stomach. This heightened state of arousal keeps individuals focused on their romantic interest, contributing to the obsession and preoccupation often experienced in the early stages of love. Serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation, undergoes changes during the early stages of love. Interestingly, serotonin levels tend to decrease, leading to obsessive thinking about the loved one. This drop in serotonin is similar to the levels found in individuals with obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, which may explain why new lovers often can't get their partners out of their minds. As relationships progress from initial attraction to deeper attachment, different hormones come into play. Oxytocin, known as the love hormone or cuddle hormone, is crucial for bonding and attachment. Released during physical touch, such as hugging, kissing, and sexual activity, oxytocin promotes feelings of trust, safety, and emotional intimacy. It strengthens the bond between partners, fostering a sense of connection and security. Oxytocin is particularly important in long-term relationships and is involved in behaviors that promote pair bonding and attachment. For instance, during childbirth and breastfeeding, oxytocin levels spike, strengthening the bond between mother and child. Similarly, in romantic relationships, oxytocin reinforces the emotional bond, making partners feel closer and more connected over time. Vasopressin, another hormone associated with long-term commitment, works alongside oxytocin to promote monogamous behaviors and pair bonding. Vasopressin is released after sexual activity and contributes to feelings of contentment and security in a relationship. Studies on animals, such as prairie voles, have shown that higher levels of vasopressin are linked to monogamous pair bonding, suggesting its critical role in maintaining long-term romantic connections. Testosterone, primarily known as the male sex hormone, also influences romantic relationships. While testosterone is often associated with sexual desire and aggression, it also plays a role in attraction and bonding. Higher testosterone levels can enhance sexual desire and drive, contributing to the physical aspects of romantic relationships. However, in long-term relationships, testosterone levels may decrease slightly, promoting behaviors that enhance bonding and emotional intimacy. Estrogen, the primary female sex hormone, also impacts romantic relationships by influencing mood, desire, and emotional responsiveness. Estrogen enhances the effects of oxytocin, making women more sensitive to the bonding effects of touch and intimacy. Fluctuations in estrogen levels throughout the menstrual cycle can affect mood and desire, highlighting the intricate interplay between hormones and romantic behavior. The interaction between these hormones creates a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of emotions and behaviors in romantic relationships. The initial stages of attraction are marked by intense pleasure and excitement driven by dopamine and norepinephrine. As the relationship deepens, oxytocin and vasopressin strengthen the bond, promoting long-term attachment and commitment. Testosterone and estrogen modulate desire and responsiveness, influencing the physical and emotional aspects of the relationship. Understanding the hormonal basis of love can shed light on the complexities of romantic relationships and the factors that contribute to their success or failure. Recognizing the role of hormones can help individuals navigate the highs and lows of romance, fostering greater empathy and communication. It also underscores the importance of physical touch and intimacy in maintaining strong emotional bonds. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of psychological facts about the female body, human behavior, love, and women. We hope you found these insights as intriguing and enlightening as we did. Remember, understanding the science behind our emotions and interactions can help us build better relationships and navigate the complexities of life with more empathy and awareness. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What surprised you the most and what topics would you like us to explore next? Until next time, take care and stay curious.